work that I've done so far, you see I normally do chiseling before doing the work. As we did, I had contact with the owner of this property before. So we decided that we plastered the area rough. So you can see the place has been plastered rough. It's not smooth. And the frame has not been fixed. So I can't chisel it. So I just have to do the design around it. He's coming to fix glass. According to the owner, he's coming to fix glass. So we just have to do it on it so that it holds. For it to hold forward, that's why it's been blasted off. So please, this one I'm not going to do chiseling. But it's a new design, so kindly wait. Any design that you prefer, any design that you want, just contact me. Abraham, through G.P.G Production Group. We are the best. When you need to start your project from digging or foundation, go to G.P.G Production Group. We are there. Subscribe on YouTube if you've not subscribed yet. We are there for you. Anything you want concerning building, owning your own property, just contact G.P.G Production Group. We are there for you. Thank you. We are still on. I mean, the normal procedure now, that's the way we do our plastering. Normal procedure. We are on. We keep moving. Any design that you want, don't hesitate to reach us. And subscribe to the channel, G.P.G Production Group on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, anywhere we are there. All social media platforms. Any design you want. We are going to design heaven gates before you come. We will design the heaven gate, heaven pillars. The pillars of heaven, paradise. We are going to design that place. So don't hesitate. Do yours here. Practice yours here on earth before we go to paradise. Thank you, family. So you can see there is extra step coming. So I have to create a cavity in order to hold the mortar very well. Please, if you did the design, just contact me direct if you are outside the country. Some people, you call your caretakers or your brothers. When we give them the estimate, they also increase the amount for you. So I even had so many encounters with people. They increase the cost. And when the person called me directly, they say, how? You did an estimate for me, for my brother. And it was higher than what I received from you. So please contact us directly. Okay. I know we are expensive, but not the extent that they will also add extra cost on this. We know you are traveling outside there. So when you contact us directly, we can deal. Thank you. Contact with the owner of this property. And me before they did the plastering. And meeting his mason on site. We all agreed that they will do the plastering raw so that I can do the design on it. That is why you see Abraham having done the work. But it's something that we agreed on. That's why the plastering is made raw. So you wait till we finish with the design. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on all social media platforms. We are there designing walls, windows, pillars, everything. Just contact us. Abraham, he will deliver. Whatever design you want, just contact me. Reach me directly. Also on Facebook as somebody Abraham. I'm there. Anywhere within the country, Ghana, we are there for you. Other people are calling me to do their work outside Ghana, but I'm not ready to do that yet. When the time comes. It's very difficult, guys. We have bit by bit. Keep moving. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And we are the best when it comes to design. Just contact us. we are there. Any area in the country, anywhere around Ghana, we are there. We will deliver. Yeah, we are here for pillar designing. So you can see, I and my colleagues, we have mortar and POP. Look at the pillar carefully. This is how it is. Look at it carefully. So any design that you want on your pillar, window, fence wall, or door, we are here. Just contact us. Look at it carefully. So at the end, you have something like this. At the end, you have something like this. So we'll come and do the top design and then the base design too. So just wait for finishing. With pillar designing, aspects of pillar, aspects. Just contact us for your design. Any design that you wish, just call us. We are there for you. We are there for you. We'll do it. Work and happiness. Work and happiness. Accuracy is something that we consider most in our work. So even with the student, you can see careful is working. Wherever we use tape measurement, we use the tape measure. So accuracy, we consider accuracy is. So just contact us. Even everything we are going to design. Don't hesitate to reach out. G.P.G production, Abraham, the staff video designer. Just contact me for your design. Thank you. So finally, we've come to the end of the design. So any design that you have, or if you want me to do the designs for you, just contact me. Okay, we are the best. We always offer you the best, and we are going to design the paradise gate. We are going to do it. The mansion that is being created, we are going to design it. So don't hesitate to call us for yours. Call us for yours on Earth, so we can give you a good deal. We are the best, second to none. Okay, we are ready to deliver anywhere in Ghana. So just keep calling. Let the work come. Okay, we give you good deal.